today you spoke at our event. I wrote down something that you said was we only grow when we communicate. And I think that's a great way to wrap up this whole event today is bringing the communication to the farmers. Would you like to expand on that, like the importance of it?
It's huge, you know, and anything in life, relationships is what's important. You know, from the very principle of building a relationship means there's good times, there's bad times, but we learn to work through them, right?
Right.
So I hate to call our grandfathers and fathers dogs, but they don't want to change. As my father always said, you know, I'm getting to my short rows of life. You're in your long rows. I don't want to change. I just want to ride off into the sunset, right?
Right.
But, you know, I call it the bell cow effect. So if you find the guys in the area, and you don't always have to point out who they are, but the guys that are leading, that are doing the most, not just because it's funny, but because they're seeing the difference, it's working. So if you can find that, get the like-mindedness. I've always called it FOMO and JOMO. That means fear of missing out and joy of missing out. And you know, until the pain to change is less and the pain to stay the same, there is no change. So if you find the guys that are the bell cows in the area, you find out what they're doing, find some other ways that we can interact, bring together those type of speakers. You know your industries, you know your crops. It's no secret chickens are big around here, right? So we got to figure out what to do with all the poop. I'll take chicken wings, you can have the rest.
Nah.
But you know, it's just finding that, and then from there it'll grow, and that's where.